Hello from Taipei, Taiwan. I'm Michael Josh, and you're watching GadgetMatch. Over the last week, we spent some time at ASUS headquarters here and got early access to the retail version of the Zenfone 5Z. This is our unboxing. I don't have my X-Acto knife with me, so a SIM ejector tool will have to do this time. Let's peel off this plastic. If you look closely, it says 5Z, which means this is the more higher end version of the Zenfone 5. And on the side, we have the We Love Photo branding. This is a dual camera smartphone, folks. Now let's go ahead and open up the box, if we can. Okay, lid off. It does feel more premium. Let's lift up this other box. Inside, you'll find a SIM ejector tool, user guide, and inside this little packet, a jelly case. Now, I don't want to nitpick, but because this is a premium phone, we would have loved to see maybe a leather case, a more premium case. Underneath the packet, of course, is the Zenfone 5Z. Let's take a look at it. Not yet, we'll get back to it later. Also in the box, you get a USB charger, a USB Type-C cable, and a pair of earbuds with interchangeable silicone nibs. Okay, now let's take a look at the phone. I love a phone that has a good shimmer, and as you can see, ASUS is doing that with a shimmer that kind of radiates from the fingerprint sensor on the back of the device. It's a nice touch, actually. But if you're paying close attention, this is exactly how the Zenfone 5 looks like. In fact, this is the exact same phone apart from its internals. And having said that, roll spec sheet. If you'd like more commentary on the design of the Zenfone 5, you can check out our hands-on video, our unboxing video, and our review video. All of those, we'll put links in the description below. And that was our Zenfone 5Z unboxing. A review video is coming your way very shortly, so make sure to let us know in the comments section questions that you'd like us to answer. As always, you know the drill, folks. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, like our Facebook page, follow GadgetMatch on social media, and make GadgetMatch.com your daily habit. Until the next video, I'm Michael Josh. Thanks for dropping by.